Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and enabling core services. Check your OS and update if needed. Low power modes can block persistent location, so charge and disable them. Next, open Settings, find Location, and turn location services on. Once done, set the location mode to the most accurate option available, high accuracy on Android or precise location on iOS, so apps receive continuous, high-quality fixes rather than intermittent course data. You must grant the app background access so it can record coordinates when not in the foreground. On Android, open App Permissions, choose Location, and select Allow all the time. On iOS, go to the app's location setting and pick Always, then enable Background App Refresh. Also exclude the app from any battery optimization or data restriction lists. Those systems suspend background activity. Doing this ensures continuous updates and avoids the common pitfall where permission is granted only while the app is active. Finish by verifying the setup in real conditions. You should see the persistent location indicator or notification. Open Maps or your app, then press Home and let it run in the background for several minutes to confirm updates continue. If location drops, make sure battery optimization is disabled for that app. Check that location history or system-level privacy settings aren't blocking background access, and restart or reinstall the app. If problems persist, reviewing app-specific logs or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.